how to fix this site can be reach error in Google Chrome. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our desktop. And then in the search bar, just search for Internet Options. After that, just click Open, which is right here. And then once you open that, in this part, what we're going to do is to go here on the connections. Once you're now on the connections, just go here on the LAN settings. And then in this part, on the proxy server, if you see that it is checked, make sure that you uncheck this one. And then after that, just click OK, and then click OK again. After that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here again on the search bar and then search for network status. And then in this part, just click open right there. Once you're here, just click your connections, which is right there. And then in this part, just click on properties. And then once you're now on the properties, what we're going to do is to go here on the Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure that you uncheck that. And then on this part, on the Internet Protocol version 4, make sure that you check that. After that, just click OK, and then click close, and then try to see if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to go on the command center. So just type cmd and then make sure that you run it as administrator. Once you're now here, what we're going to do is to type netsh winsock reset catalog. And then once you do that, just click enter. And then once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to type netsh int ipv4 reset and then space reset.log. Once you do that, just click enter. Once it is done, as you can see, the last thing that we need to do is to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. And then after that, just click enter once again. And then once it is done, all you have to do is to restart your computer, and that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix this site can be reach error in Google Chrome.